The Lambda H47071 is a member of the Alpha 400 watt family of power supplies from Lambda. These power supplies are used in a wide variety of places, with this custom version being used in an Ion Implant system used for the semiconductor industry. This Lambda has two outputs, which, as shown in the video, requires 2 meters to properly determine if the power supply is working correctly. ERD has repaired a variety of these power supplies by many OEMs, and as you can see in the video, we are able to load these power supplies at whatever load is needed. At ERD, we specialize in being able to repair the parts of semiconductor tools without needing the actual tool for the final test. We have over 20 years experience with the NSK line of motor controls, and add new products as they become available on the market.
Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.